Welcome to WPForms, the best WordPress contact form plugin on the market. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use the Dropbox add-on. The Dropbox add-on allows you to automatically send files uploaded through the File Upload field on your form to your Dropbox account. With that said, let's jump right in. Starting off in the dashboard, we'll first need to install and activate the Dropbox add-on, so go to WPForms, Add-ons, find the Dropbox add-on, then install and activate it. From there, go to the Settings page of WPForms by clicking on the Settings tab on the left and click on the Integrations tab. You'll see a list of the available integrations, including Dropbox. Click on it, then click on the Add New Account button. This will take you to the Dropbox login page, where you'll need to log into your Dropbox account. Once you log in, you'll see a security notice from Dropbox. Click Continue, and then click Agree to grant WPForms access to your Dropbox account, after which you'll be taken back to your WordPress site. Now that your site is connected to your Dropbox account, we can head into the form builder and add a connection to your contact form. Inside the form builder, go to the Settings tab on the left and click on the Dropbox tab. Click on the Add New Connection button on the right corner and write in the name for this connection. From there, select the Dropbox account you just connected to your site. The following field, called Folder Name, lets you write in the name of the new folder that will be created in your Dropbox account for these files, or you can write in the name of an existing folder in your account if you want the files to be sent there instead. Below this will be another section called Storage Location, where you can map the File Upload field on your form to a specific location in Dropbox. In the File Upload column, use the drop-down to select the File Upload field in your form, and in the Folder to Store Data column, select the folder in your Dropbox account where you want the files to be stored. This drop-down shows root by default, which means the files will be stored directly in the folder you specified in the folder name field. If your form contains multiple File Upload fields, you can click on the plus icon to map any other File Upload fields to the same location, or choose a subfolder instead if available. Once your connection settings have been configured, you can click on the Advanced Options section to reveal another setting called Delete Local Files After Upload. If enabled, uploaded files will automatically be deleted from your server once they've been uploaded to your Dropbox account. If this isn't enabled, then the uploaded files will be stored on both your WordPress site and your Dropbox account. You can view these files by going to the Entries page of WPForms and looking at each specific entry. Now that your settings have been configured, save your changes and test out your new Dropbox connection by submitting a test entry. I'm going to upload an image and submit it as an example. And as you can see, once the form has been submitted, the image I just uploaded is now in my Dropbox account. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to use the Dropbox add-on by WPForms. If you have any questions or concerns, please visit WPForms.com and check out our documentation page, where you can find step-by-step written guides for all of our features, add-ons, and more. You can also join our WPForms VIP Circle group on Facebook to learn even more tips and tricks, as well as be part of the growing WPForms community. If you need any extra help, please visit our contact page to connect with one of our trusted advisors. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.